Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're gonna learn how to create a flying effect style using AI. So here is my Notion link. We are gonna create a flying style effect using AI as I've mentioned before. First we are gonna go to a new tab and we are gonna choose any brand you like. For example, let me choose Magnum. Okay, and I'll go to image. I'm gonna select this. You can copy or you can save as both is fine. For now, I'm gonna do copy image, and I'm going to go to my ChatGPT and paste. Alright, and we are gonna go back to our Notion. We're gonna copy this prompt, image prompt, and go back to ChatGPT. And before sending it, there is something which we need to tweak. As you can see, here is a colorful balloon letters brand name. So we have to enter the brand name, and our brand name is Magnum. Okay, and send. So ChatGPT will generate our image, and let's see how ChatGPT reach our expectations and how the image is. So this will take a while. Once it's ready, I'll get back. Okay, so let's look at the result now. Okay, so this is beautiful, and yeah, it's really beautiful. You can see the skydivers are also here according to the prompt. So it's really beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna download this, and let's try to create another one. Okay, for example, we have tried Magnum. Let's try something new. This is an ice cream brand. Let's try a food brand. I'm gonna go with um, so I have choose this one, Liang Sandwich Bar. Those who have not tried Liang Sandwich Bar, please go and try it. It's yummy, and let me know how it is. Alright, so let's get back, and we are gonna copy the prompt. Again, before sending, make sure to change the brand name. Liang Sandwich Bar. And I have sent my prompt, and now ChatGPT is generating the image. Let's see again how the image is. Alright, so this will take a while. In the meantime, I have downloaded this image. So let's go back to our Notion link. Okay, so the next step is we are gonna go to Kling AI. Alright, so let's go to Kling AI, image to video. Okay, this is image to video, and sorry, this is okay, the image to video, and I'm gonna drag the image that we have downloaded here. We have downloaded this image. I'm gonna drag and drop here, and I'm gonna add my animation prompt, the video prompt. Alright, if you don't want to add any prompt, it's also fine. Or if you're having a trouble to if you have some trouble in writing a prompt, or you're not good at making prompts, then also Kling AI has given an option, generate the prompt with DeepSeek. So the Kling AI, you just have to click on this one, and DeepSeek will generate a prompt. So they have given a list of prompts here. You just have to choose which one you like the most. Alright, those who are struggling in making the prompt, or who are writing a prompt, or those who doesn't have a prompt, they can generate a prompt here. Okay, so, but we have our prompt, so I'm gonna paste here, and generate. Okay, so you can try Kling AI. Right now my token is finished, so I'll try later. Or you can go to Pixverse. So you just have to attach the picture and add the video prompt and generate. So it's in process. In the meantime, let's see how the result is. Wow, oh my god, this is so pretty. But the spelling is a bit, there is a spelling problem. But otherwise it's good, just the spelling problem, okay? Or you can try another one. This is just a spelling mistake, but otherwise it's good. This is also good. Now let's see how ChatGPT catch the result and how the result is. Let's see. I hope there is no spelling mistake, but let's see. And let's go back to Pixverse, and there is our video is ready. So guys, you can try Kling AI. If not, Pixverse AI is also good. Okay, so I'm gonna download this. I hope you get the idea, guys. So that's it for today, for today's video. If the video is really helpful for you, please do like, share, and comment and subscribe. And if you're watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Alright, and I'll see you in the next video.